Three words born from the navel, the power to transform your life. Namaste, my dear listeners. Today is a special day because we are embarking on a journey, not outward but deep within the core of your being. I am Mansi and I'll be your guide on this magical voyage where we'll explore the power of your navel. Yes, the navel. That tiny point on your belly. I know you're laughing. It's not just a part of your body, it's the center of your soul. Paramahansa Yogananda once said, to touch the depths of the soul, one must pass through the gateway of the navel. Have you ever thought about the immense power hidden in this small point? My friend Ria was struggling. College days, exam pressure, friends' chatter, and family responsibilities. It felt like everything was piling up on her. Then I shared something I learned from Paramahansa Yogananda's book. I told her, Ria, when your mind is restless, take your breath to your navel. Speak from there, and the universe will listen. That night, she focused on her navel for the first time. And guess what? She told me she felt something profound in this silence, as if her soul was speaking to her. Have you ever felt something like that? The secret of the navel. It's more than just a body part. Friends, the navel is where life begins. When we're in our mother's womb, the navel is the thread that gives us life. Paramahansa Yogananda said, the navel is not just the center of the body, it's the gateway to consciousness. When you're scared, in love, or feeling something deep, have you noticed a slight flutter below your belly, near the navel? Yes, that flutter. It's a message from your soul. Let me share a little story. My friend Seema was incredibly hardworking, but kept failing at job interviews. One day, I told her about speaking from the navel. I said, Seema, before you sleep, calm your mind and focus on your navel. Then say three words. She laughed and asked, which three words? I replied, embrace the silence first, and the words will come. She tried it, and a few weeks later she called me ecstatic, saying, Mansi, I got the job. It feels like the universe heard me. Isn't that pure magic? So, what are these three words? Friends, they are not some complex Sanskrit mantra or formula, they are words your soul already knows. Paramahansa Yogananda said, words spoken from the navel are not just sounds, they are energy that awakens the universe. But before speaking them, you must prepare your mind and soul. Let me guide you step by step on how to do this. Step 1. Embrace silence. First, at night, before you sleep, create a quiet space. Turn off your phone, dim the lights, and let it be just you and your breath. Take slow, deep breaths, guiding them to your navel. Have you ever breathed so deeply? Silence here doesn't just mean quieting external noise, it means calming the chatter in your mind. When I started this practice, my mind was flooded with thoughts. What will happen tomorrow? Why didn't I do that task? But slowly I learned that truth lies in silence. Step 2. Focus on your navel. Now, bring your awareness to your navel. Imagine a tiny lamp glowing there, its light spreading through your body. Paramahansa Yogananda said, the navel is where the soul and the universe meet. When you focus on it, your scattered energy begins to align. The first time I did this, I felt a power awakening within me. Will you try it too? Step 3. Speak the three words. Now comes the moment to say the three words accept, answer, peace. But first understand their meaning. 1. Accept. Begin by fully accepting your life, your joys, sorrows, failures, everything. When I said this word, it felt like I had shed all my burdens. Acceptance isn't surrender, it's embracing your power. 2. Answer. The second word is answer. This is the question your soul asks the universe, not out of fear or greed, but from faith. A friend of mine asked for clarity in her career. She spoke this word from her navel, and months later, she found a path she had never imagined. 3. Peace. The third word is peace. When you say it, your soul finds rest. Peace is the state where there is no desire, no fear. Paramahansa Yogananda said, peace is the doorway through which every desire finds its path. Once more, accept, answer, peace. Why do these three words work? Friends, these words are magical because they speak the language of your soul. When you say them from your navel, they are not just words, they become a vibration that reaches the universe and turns your desires into reality. But this requires faith and surrender. I remember a time when I was deeply sad. My dreams weren't coming true, and I felt I was doing something wrong. Then I started this practice. Every night, I spoke these three words from my navel: accept, answer, peace. Slowly, the turmoil inside me calmed. And one day, an opportunity came that changed my life. It wasn't a miracle, it was my soul's call, heard by the universe. Another story to inspire you. Let me share a story that's not mine but inspires me deeply. A seeker in the Himalayas meditated every night, focusing on his navel and saying these three words: accept, answer, peace. For years he practiced this. One day, in deep meditation, he felt the universe had heard him. His unspoken desires began to manifest. Why? Because he paired those words with silence and faith. Practical tips: how to bring this into your life. Here are simple tips to make this practice part of your life. 1. Set aside 5 minutes each night. Before bed, sit in a quiet place. Guide your breath to your navel. 2. Embrace silence. Quiet your mind's chatter. If thoughts come, let them pass with love. 3. Say the three words: accept, answer, peace. Speak them slowly from your navel as if talking to the universe. 4. Have faith. These words work only if you trust them completely. 5. Keep a journal. Write down your experiences each night to track your progress. My heartfelt message to you. My dear friends, this journey isn't just about words, it's about awakening the power within you. When you speak from your navel, you're not just calling to the universe, you're awakening your soul. So tonight, when you go to bed, try these three words. I promise a new light will shine in your life. A small request: if you loved this podcast, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Every like and comment feels like a warm hug. Let's continue this beautiful journey together. Thank you and so much love. Your very own Mansi, signing off until the next episode. Namaste.